Sa haba-haba ng pinagdaanan natin, dito pa rin ang bagsak natin.
We've been through a lot, Mommy, and I promise to be your faithful spouse.
You speak to me, and I listen like your words are cured me. I know I wander far until I could
Lahat ng
see.
taon namin is, lahat doon may hindi maganda. Pero ang galing kasi ni Lord.
For the past 7 years, hindi niya ako makontrol eh. Pero ang galing lang ni Lord kasi pinakita sa amin na kaya pala nangyari yung mga bagay na yun para ipabigay natin sa Kanya yung sitwasyon.
All this thing, parang lagi kong hinihiling na, Lord, kailan ba magbabago ko to? Kailan nyo aayusin tong tao na to? Kasi before, akala ko kaya ko siyang baguhin. Hindi siya nangyayari sa akin.
I will find my way back.
Last year, may coordinator na kami last year, di lang siya natuloy. Pero dun namin nakita na si Lord talaga yung gumalaw. Kasi kung natuloy yun, malamang hindi rin namin naintindihan ba't natuloy eh.
Naging parang rocky road yung pinagdaanan ng relasyon namin.
Tried to see, like a fool I thought I'd beat this somehow, but without you.
For the past how many years and months, you're trying to make sure that everything will fall into place, but it didn't push through. Why? Because it's not yet that day.
This is the day. After 7 years, God gave us this day with our little princess, Maxine, na ma-witness niya at ng lahat ng mga importanteng tao sa buhay natin kung gaano kita kamahal.
Marco, do you take this woman to be your wife, to love her, to comfort her, forsaking all others, cling only to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
At do you take this man to be your husband, to love him, submit to him, as long as you both shall live?
I do, Pastor. So, ginawa niya akong client nung mga panahong yon. Then,
Nag-chat ako sa kanya and after few days yun, nag-meet kami.
then nung nag-meet na kami dun sa sa business is hindi pala siya modeling.
Business lang talaga yung purpose ng pag-meet namin. And eventually, unti-unti after few months, na-develop siya.
To my wife, I will always love you forever. Your husband, Marco.
Husband!
Grabe no, hindi ko alam na aabot tayo dito na matutuloy ito. In God's perfect timing talaga. Kasi kahit magpakasal tayo noon, wala din si Lord sa buhay natin. I can wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Our journey to forever starts today. I love you, and see you later. Yun!
Ayan na.
Ikaw lang gusto kong makasama sa habang buhay. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin, Mami.
Pipiliin kong mahalin ka araw-araw kahit ano man ang pinagdadaanan natin. Hinding-hindi kita iiwan at sasamahan kita sa lahat ng laban natin sa buhay.
In reality of life, pag dumating yung pagsubok, pag dumating yung mga storms in life, even earthquakes in life, most of the time we will be shaken if we don't have a strong foundation. May you build this journey knowing that God is your foundation and making God as the center of everything.
Let the world grow in and hear me now and know the truth.
I thank God for giving you and Maxine in my life. I thank God kasi sobra-sobra yung pagmamahal niya sa atin. We're not deserving people, pero pinili pa rin tayo ni Lord. And I'm so much excited to honor God and make things right before Him.
I will encourage you and help to boost your faith so that you can always see that you are the righteousness of God in Christ.
Like the sun that steady rise, like a secret I can't keep. I have loved you forever, endlessly. It's always
Wala pa kami noon, hindi pa kami. Binigyan ko na siya ng pangako sa buhay ko. Parang sinabi ko sa kanya out of nowhere, kasi parang as friends before, na kahit maniwan ka ng ibang tao, hindi ako mawawala sa tabi mo, nandito ako for you. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo noon, hanggang ngayon, hindi ako mawawala sa tabi mo, nandito lang ako lagi para sa inyo ni Maxine.
I commit myself to fulfill God's plan for my life, to provide loving leadership and spiritual covering for you and for our children.
I am looking forward to reach 1 more, 10 more, 100 more, and 1,000 more for Jesus with you, my kingdom partner forever.
It's always you, it's always you,
You may now
always been.
kiss
It's
the bride.
always you, it's always you, always been. It's always you, it's always you, always been you. It's always you, it's always you, always been you.
I love you, B. Mamahalin kita araw-araw.